So my son carries around this little fake one, but I didn't like how sharp one of the knives was, so I was looking for a kid one. I thought this was a kid-sized, like, I thought he could put it in his pocket, and it's a lot bigger, but it's a cute kid's toy. It has, like, a fork they could pretend to use, a spoon. They could probably actually, like, if you're camping, use those for pretend, or with their meals. That's quite a few things. It's hard for me to do. It has a pretend can opener that is not functional, and a serrated knife that is not functional, and then this is the, like, the knives are definitely safe for a kid, not sharp at all. They could not cut anything with it. So it's more like a novelty for your kid if they want a Swiss Army knife, but it cannot go in the pocket. It's huge. It's more like just a toy.